Good morning, Maui. Checking in on our service analysis, you'll see our 1020 turned into a 1018. It's kind of dissipating as this low pressure is pushing it on. And then we have some new high pressures on the backside with the developing storm above it. Checking in our wind maps, we'll look down at our high pressure and see a 15 knot east wind right on the islands. There's a good chance that with that amount of trade wind and the heating without it being cloudy, just convection in general, that we'll probably get wind again today for a few hours in the noonish till 4 or 5. Just that strong convective sun suck. Other than that, it looks like that we will be getting a north swell sometime next week. This storm is looking pretty nice northwest direction. We got a 2-mile-an-hour reading on the crater. And checking out our Big Island sounding, we still see that 6,000 foot with a moderately strong inversion. This line's looking a little different from yesterday. Yesterday looked really nice in the morning for the Poly. It's a weekend, so I'm planning probably get up there today. But it's hard to say if clouds are going to be at the 4,000 foot development spot, just with this precipitous line going up, and there's not really a big groove for our clouds to show. Kauai showing a little bit stronger and lower inversion, but still following a good diabatic line. With that low pressure getting close, we should get some more instability by the afternoon, so there's a good chance that the evening is going to be great flying. On our university humidity map, looks like we're in a dry zone, and this low boundary is trying to slowly push its way towards us. Looking at the more detailed view, you'll just see this slightest low start developing above us, but again, we're still in that dry as long as this trade wind high pressure can keep that front blocked. Looking at our Doppler, you'll see that we're pretty mellow on the clouds. The problem is that these wind showers are not moving that much at all, so that's taking away our wind speed. You can see these clouds are pretty stationary. Terrible sign. Quick look at Big Blue. Looks like Baja. Some stuff down here. We just have a few clouds from this oncoming front. Wind gurus maintaining our east winds. Yesterday, and for people thinking about flying the L, I talked to Louis when I went surfing at the end of the day. He said it was rowdy, but if you would have launched at 4:35, it looks like the day mellowed out, and it would have been as nice as flying ever. So I want to get one of these late afternoons, especially in this light wind. You're not worrying about blow through, and the air after 5 gets a lot mellower and just as thermic and nice as anything else. So try to remember that. They say we got king tides again, so low tides at 6, high tides at 1 o'clock. Take a look at our break wall cam. You can still see some sets over here. It looks well overhead at the break wall. Yesterday it took me all day of doing stuff, not surfing, to finally get there for sunset, and then finally scored an epic session. So pretty stoked on that, but definitely still get some waves over west. There's another set coming through. Looks great. And finally taking a look at our sun, and you'll see this nice active region on the incoming limb. Plans today, I think, are just going to go poly, hang out with the pops, pray that we get a little bit of wind at Kite Beach for the nooner, and if all fails, head over to Lahaina for some extracurricular fun. Alright guys, have a good day. Thanks, bye.